Two cricket teams kept records of the number of runs scored by their teams in 8 matches. So count first, got 8 match or not? 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, makes sense. The scores are in the table below. Team A, Team B. Find the mean and standard deviation of Team A. Okay, how do you find the mean? Oh, so simple, right? Sum all, divide by the n. My n is 8. Okay, go and sum all of the runs. How many runs they got? 150, 220, 30, 298, 118, 160, 57. So I get 1110. Change it to 3 significant figure, and now I get the exact value, so I just write it like that. Don't do anything. Let's find the standard deviation. Standard deviation, how do you do this? Square root your n minus your mean value. You square it. Mean and then bracket square. Okay, what are you writing here? Sum of your data. Let's say your data is x, but you have to square first. You do this first and then sum them up. Meaning, you take 150 square, you take 220 square, and then you plus all. When you do that, see what you get. Take each of the data values, square it, and then sum. (77 square, 30 square, 298 square, 118 square, 160 square, 57 square. I'm getting 209306 over 8 minus your mean value is this. Write the exact value, yeah. Don't round it off. You round off, you get premature approximation. They penalize you. So standard deviation is 83.137. 3 significant figure, 83.1. It's a big difference. The standard deviation is quite big. Now, second part. They say that's mean and standard deviation for team B. Okay, let me put this in table so that you can see it better. I got team A, team B. They have their mean value and then their SD value. So this is 13875, 83.1. For B, it's 130.75, 29.63. Let me calculate, recheck my standard deviation. Yeah, it looks fine. Now they're asking, state with a reason which team has a more consistent score. What is this word consistent? Tidak banyak berubah daripada satu sama yang lain. It means they should look alike. Look at this here. This is 220, 298. They're quite near to each another. But look at this 30. They're so far. 57, so far. So I'm going to check whether this one, they all cluster to each another or they are very far apart. The lowest value I have is 86. Okay, the next value is 93, quite close. The biggest value in the data, it's only 170. Boleh lah, agak-agak. They are quite close to each another. That's why the standard deviation here is lower. The lower the standard deviation, the better it is. It means the data is more consistent. If your standard deviation is high, it's not good. You know that your data is not telling the same story. Everyone is different. If your SD is high, it's actually not good. Remember this, yeah? Not good. SD small, then your data is consistent. So which team? Team B. Why? Lower standard deviation.